Looking to make extra cash? Let's explore the top 5 apps for reselling that can help you find deals, list items, and manage your sales efficiently. First up is Poshmark. This app is perfect for fashion resellers. It lets you list clothes, accessories, and even home items easily. Next, we have eBay. Known for its huge audience, eBay helps you sell almost anything. It's great for reaching a wide range of buyers. Check out Mercari. This app makes listing items a breeze. Snap a photo, add details, and you're ready to sell. It's super user-friendly. Depop is perfect for vintage and unique finds. If you love fashion and want a platform with a young audience, Depop is your go-to. Don't miss ThredUp. It's like an online consignment store. Send them your clothes, and they do the selling for you. Easy and hassle-free. Why should you use these apps? They simplify the reselling process. From listing to tracking sales, everything's at your fingertips. Imagine finding a great deal at a thrift store, listing it on Poshmark, and watching the bids roll in. It's that simple with these apps. eBay's auction feature can turn your items into hot commodities. Ever had a bidding war on your items? It's thrilling and profitable. Mercari's instant pay feature means you get your money fast. No waiting around for payments. Who doesn't love quick cash? Depop's social features make selling fun. Share your listings, follow other sellers, and build a community around your store. ThredUp takes the hassle out of shipping. Just send them your items, and they handle the rest. You can focus on finding more great deals. Ever wondered how to keep track of your sales? These apps offer built-in analytics to help you understand what's selling and what's not. Imagine boosting your profits with these easy-to-use tools. They're designed to help you succeed in the reselling game. Poshmark's parties let you share your listings with a large audience at once. It's like a virtual marketplace with thousands of buyers. eBay's global reach means you can sell to anyone, anywhere. Expand your audience and increase your chances of making sales. Mercari's buyer protection ensures you get paid, and buyers get what they order. It's a win-win for everyone involved. Depop's messaging system lets you communicate directly with buyers, answer questions, negotiate prices, and close deals faster. ThredUp's clean-out kits make it easy to send in your items. Just fill the kit, send it off, and they take care of the rest. Curious about fees? Each app has its own fee structure, but they're all designed to help you maximize your earnings. Imagine turning your hobby into a profitable side hustle. These apps make it possible by providing all the tools you need. Poshmark's shipping discounts are a great perk. Offer your buyers lower shipping costs and make your items more attractive. eBay's promoted listings can boost your visibility. Pay a small fee to get your items seen by more potential buyers. Mercari's simple interface makes it easy for anyone to start selling. Even if you're new to reselling, you'll feel right at home. Depop's trendy design attracts younger buyers. If you have unique, stylish items, this is the perfect platform for you. ThredUp's payout estimator gives you an idea of what you'll earn before you send in your items. No more guesswork. Ready to start reselling? Download these apps today and take the first step towards making extra money with ease. Imagine the thrill of your first sale, the excitement of packing up your item, and the joy of earning money from your finds. These apps make reselling simple, fun, and profitable. Don't wait. Start listing your items today and watch your sales grow.